Right, how we doing, people? As you can see, we're on. We're finally out in the field now. We had a couple of little issues with the big baler to get going, but we soon got them sorted out. You can see I've got a few lumps to bale up, but we're away now. We're doing about a 5-foot bale for the wrapper. Got the wrapper behind me at the minute, the square bale wrapper. I've had Will on board with me and he set us going, and now we've got going, we're cracking along. This is our test field, this is, because it's one of our fields, just to get us going, just to make sure everything's working as it should. And then we'll get stuck into it properly tomorrow. We've got 50 acres to do tomorrow. There's the new wrapper, well, our new wrapper, the Cow 998 on the Fendt 516. I've got my camera installed, so I'm keeping an eye on the bales coming out the back, make sure I've got no broken strings. We're currently cruising along at 16k. Yeah, we're going alright, we are going alright. On the screen here we've got a couple of progress bars here. That one there is the pressure we're putting on, which is we're putting 108 bar on at the minute. And this one here is, this progress bar on the left here, if you can see, is tells you how far you've made a bale. We're 142 centimetres. That's the bale we're looking to make. There you go, just lost the bale off the back there. And as we're coming up, there you go, it just beeps to tell us we have made another bale. And then it resets the progress bar, as you can see there. John Deere handling it well. No worries. Yeah, we're going good. First big baling of the season. Oh, a bit rough down here next to the river. Little duckies. I forgot that, you know, not one of the good things, but yeah, one of the best things about this baler is the pickup. It's got a good pickup on it. With the twin crop roller press wheels and the full width auger. Right, see how it handles, picking up a bit of water grass. Here's where you've got to be careful. You don't want it to pull the whole lot in and block the pickup up. made another bail. That was the pickup clutch kicking out, as you could probably hear. Got a dog type clutch in it, I believe, and all you do with them is they sound pretty brutal, but you just drop the revs on them, and as they slow down they try and click in. How's that? That's the missus, I better answer it. Made another bail. One thing you do get with this is you do get a good view of the pickup and everything. I mean, you can see. What was that? That's my rear window come a bit jar. You do get a good view of the pickup and everything going into the drive line. Again, the worst thing about it is bloody tractor. I think the old 7270 had better lock on it than this. Yeah, so a good start to the proceedings anyway. Wrapper's gone flawlessly. Oh, on track to turn. Oh. There's another bail. Yeah, jobs are good and people. Yeah, we're a bit mucky, aren't we? Yeah, jobs are good and people. Hope you enjoyed that little video. I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ta!